Welcome back. So far, our patterns have only matched characters one by one. For example, \D only matches exactly 2 digits. To match phone numbers, words of varying lengths, or any sequence that repeats, we need quantifiers. These tell the regex engine how many times the preceding character or group should occur. 1. The plus sign, which means 1 or more. When the plus sign follows a character or a sequence, it instructs the engine to match 1 or more continuous occurrences of that element. For instance, the pattern \D+ will match any string of digits, such as 1, 12, or 12,345. It is non-optional. At least one match is required. 2. The star sign, which means 0 or more. The star sign is similar to the plus sign, but it makes the preceding element optional. \D* will match any string of digits, but it will also match an empty string, or where there are no digits at all. It is widely used when optional whitespace might be present. 3. The question mark, which means 0 or 1. This makes the preceding element strictly optional. It means match it if it's there, but don't worry if it's not. The question mark is useful for matching singular or plural forms, or prefixes that may or may not be present in the data. 4. Curly braces, n, m curly brace, which means specific range. The curly braces allow you to define an exact number or a range of repetitions. You can specify an exact number, like curly brace 4 curly brace, to match exactly 4 digits. You can specify a minimum n, or a maximum m, or a range n, m, to match n to m times. This is perfect for fixed-length data like postal codes. To summarize, quantifiers enable you to move beyond single-character matching. Our next lecture 24.08, Using Quantifiers. See you there.